Welcome, dear parents and our lovely children. I hope you all are doing good and, most importantly, staying at home, taking care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Without taking much of your precious time, we, the Guru family, would like to thank each and every parent for supporting online studies in these crucial times. Dear parents, seeing the current situation, the Guru School would like to make online studies more smooth and perfect by requesting you to make your child's separate email ID by his or her name, class, and section. This will help in clarity and accuracy of attendance of your child for record purposes. This might be little difficult for few parents and children. So, taking note on that, we would like to present a small demo on how to make an email ID and join classes through Google Meet. Also, we want to inform you that child's presence will be considered valid if he or she joins the class by his or her name only. Otherwise, their attendance will be marked as absent. We expect your support in following this practice as school discipline. I hope you will consider it as a very important step. So let's begin. Right now, I am on the normal screen of my phone. We simply go on Google. When we go on Google, we see an icon of your email ID. Here you can see if you have a display picture, you can see that otherwise you can see the first letter of your name, suppose M, right? You will click on that icon. Here you see all the mail IDs logged in by you, right? Here we will click on add another account. Okay? Here you can see Google, right? It might ask you some password. If you have, then enter it. Suppose. Now click create account. Now click create account. Okay, when you click on create account, the option will come for myself. Click on myself. Okay, in this first name option, type your child's first name. For instance, I'll type Rima. First name Rima. This is an example for you. Rima. And the surname, I'll write Joshi. Joshi. And here only you will write your child's section and class. If you do not know the section, it is fine, but at least write the class. Okay? So now click next. Here it will ask the date of birth of your child. Remember, the account won't be created below the age of 18. So accordingly, put the year. Okay? Example 2000. I am putting the year 2000. So that which can show that your child is above the age of 18. Okay? Because below 18, the account won't be created. Now you'll select the gender of your child. I have selected female. Now, next. Here you can see the option of IDs. You can choose any one. Now you can see like two options are given. Now you can choose any one. Okay, click on next. Now you can create any password by your choice. Okay, I will type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it is asking me to a stronger password. So I'll create a stronger password by giving some special letters and capital letters. Okay. Now it will ask few permission. So read and click yes, I am in. This will create an email ID of your child. Okay, so now this is the email ID of your child. Now you may exit from this page. Now account is created. You may exit from this page and come on WhatsApp. Okay, here on a daily basis you receive a link for Google Live class, right? So click on that link. Okay, here you will see all the IDs of your phone. Click on the ID of your child which you have created. Okay, Reema Joshi, 5th A. This will help in, yes, Reema Joshi. This will help in better processing. I hope everything is clear to you all. If you still face any problem, then you can contact or ask any teacher. Any teacher would like to help you. Okay. Thank you so much.